Hello viewers, welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel, and today we are going to make a review on Hero 300 pen, fountain pen, and it comes with a good box, good cotton box, and if you see the pen, it is a black color body having golden trims, and it is a dual tone clip, silver and gold both are there, and the price of the pen is around 7150, and you can see a golden top. It is a good metal pen, and you have a good grip also. Fine serrations are there, and if you see the nib, it comes with a dual tone nib, and it looks like number 8 nib, very similar to number 8. Hope the view is clear. It's a fine tip nib, and it is again 10 karat gold nib. Sorry, it is 12 karat gold nib. And let us see the weight of this pen. It is around 37 grams, and if we see the dimensions of the pen in closed condition, the length comes to 135 mm, and the diameter of the cap is 13 mm, and the grip diameter is around 10.5 mm. The pen number is written here in the ring, and it is having a converter. As I told, Hero converter is really good, and we can provide equivalent converters if it gets damaged. But so far we have not received any complaints in this Hero converter. Whenever you are not using the pen for a long time, please wash the pen and keep it safe, and there should be no ink stains remains in the feeder portion or in the nib portion. This is to give a good life for the pen, and you will get good smooth flow also. And let us see how this pen writes on the paper. And for this expensive pens, please use a good quality ink like Pilot. This is somewhat a pigment ink. So use Pilot or Waterman or Schiefer, such kind of inks for longer life of the nib, and as well as a smooth flow and interruption free writing. This is written with Hero 300 fountain pen with blue fountain pen ink. It is 12K gold nib. So the expensive part is the nib So preserve it carefully. Whenever you don't write for a long time, please clean the ink in the pen, take out the ink in the pen, and then preserve it. If you have any queries on this particular type of pen, you can write us in the comment section so that we can able to clarify you. And if you want to buy this pen, please click the link which is given in the description, and you can buy it from our site. And this is an expensive and luxurious hero pen. Thanks for watching this video, viewers.